Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix sleep mode not working on Realme 16. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up and restart device from here. After the process, go back to home screen. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and click on clock app. After click on clock app, click on storage usage. After click on storage usage, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on backup and reset phone and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin and click on reset. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix key sleep mode not working on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.